Why you so obsessed with me? Keep it on the low. It's clear that you're upset with me. Please don't let it show. It's delusional.
Hey guys, welcome back to another install video. I'm going to be installing this wig from Wiggins Hair. So stay tuned to see how I achieved this flawless look. So this is the box the wig comes in. And of course you have the star of the show, the wig itself. You also have 2 HD wig caps, which is really great. And you also have your spatula for your glue and your baby hairs. It comes with a satin bonnet. You have your melting band, and you also have your silk sack for storing your wig. And here she is, you guys. Oh my god, so beautiful. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see just how tiny the knots are on this lace. Okay, focus, focus. Like, look at that part. It looks so clean. Okay, here we go, but just look at these knots. They are too tiny. They are so tiny, you guys. Barely visible. And the bleach job is really fantastic. So I'm just really excited about this wig. Check that out, you guys. That is gonna be just a beauty to melt. So this is 250 density. It is a straight wig. It has a little bit of crinkles in it because of course it's very long. It was rolled up kind of to fit in the box, of course. So I am going to touch it with the straightener for the final look. But yeah, so I'm really excited about this wig. The lace is amazing and the knots are just teeny tiny. I've already put on my wig cap. I actually glued it down. I am going to be gluing this wig as opposed to using spray or melting spray. And inside, I just want to show you, it comes with the comb in the back and the bra strap, which I like the bra strap. I noticed some wigs don't have the bra strap, but I do appreciate the bra strap. So I'm going to make my adjustments, and there's also band inside already as well. So I am going to go ahead and throw her on for the first time ever. Just gonna come closer so you guys can see how she looks. Wow, she feels really nice and snug. I believe I got a medium-sized cap. Even though I have a really tiny head, I just prefer to have extra cap to just manipulate if I need to. So this is what we're looking like, guys. Let me just come a little bit closer. Gorgeous, literally gorgeous. I love this. I literally do not have to do anything to this wig except for glue her down. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup to, like, I don't know if you can see the edges, they're a bit like white, of course. So I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup just to help camouflage it a little better. You see how it just disappears there? Just a little, not too much, right? This wig is truly phenomenal. Like, right out the box, phenomenal. It's really amazing. I just want to show you guys one more time what we're working with. So before I get gluing, I'm going to demarcate my ears. I'm just feeling like where my ear is. I'm like kind of drawing. Get it? So I have a little demarcation here, which I'm going to cut along. So I've also demarcated this side, and a little trick, if you can't like see or remember where it was, you can just put a little like makeup or powder or something along the crease, so that when you take it off, you can just follow the powder or the makeup that you put here. So, you know, I'm now gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I'm gonna do kind of zigzag or wavy pattern. I never like to cut it perfectly straight because I just feel like you can see it too obviously. So I'm gonna cut it kind of zigzaggy.
Something I need to know to make my breath. Never let it go. If you just let me invade your space, I'll take the pleasure, take it with the pain. And if in the moment I bite my lip, Baby, in that moment, you know this is something bigger than me. On the list, give me a reason to believe it. I know your motives, and you know mine. The ones that love me, I tend to leave behind. If you know about me and you should stay, then take this pleasure and take it with the pain. And in the moment you bite your lip, when I get you and you know it's real. Can you feel that pressure between your hips? I'll make it feel like the first time.
Okay guys, so I put my lace into the glue and I'm gonna go ahead and take my melting band and melt it further into my head. So I'm just gonna put this on nice and snug. So I'm gonna just let this do its thing, and while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom on makeup so I can look like I'm actually going somewhere. So BRB, you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Makeup is done. Now I look like I'm going somewhere, right? So this hair, guys, it's just so soft. I really, really love it. The melting band definitely helped melt it further to another degree, okay? So I'm really loving this hair, and I am ready to go to the kitchen to cook. So I am gonna run the straightener through it. Like, as I said, it has a little bit of like folds, I guess, from, you know, being in the box in transit. So I'm just gonna quickly just barely touch it with the straightener. But for the most part, it is super straight considering it's coming like straight out the box, you guys. Really beautiful unit, like so amazing. I love the frontal, the hair, the lace, the bleached knots. Like, it's really done to perfection, you guys. So let me run my straightener through it real fast and be right back with you guys. So we are done. I just straightened the hair just a little tad, and I used my hot comb just to make the hair really nice and flat. So what are you guys thinking? I'm really loving her. She is so gorgeous, so soft. Loving it, you guys. So of course, the information to this hair is in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Okay guys, so this is all for today's video. Thanks again to Wiggins for sending me this wonderful wig, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Love you. Bye bye.